Hello, this is an overview of the organization of BCOM 695 website, Blackboard site. The syllabus and assignments are here. The slide introducing me is here. It's new. I've updated it. For example, I'm planning to take a group of 8 FHSU students to Thailand for 12 days of study of corporate communication in July. Over here, if you're not familiar with YellowDig, here are the rules. Please follow those rules. You have a PDF document on how to set it up, a video. I've created 2 visuals about how YellowDig works and what it can do for you. There is the description of the infographic learning activity and where to upload your 3 infographics with the dates already placed in the system. I would like you to do a project after action review. If you have a major in corporate communication concentration, here's the project, and here's where you will submit. And if you are not Corp Com majors, there's another project about the course, which you would submit here. The weekly modules give the week, the date, and the topic. There's some type of information here where you would click. So here you'll do a YellowDig with a PowerPoint with some information about yourself, and you can automatically go to the second week. I have included some random thoughts at the beginning of each unit. That's how the course is organized, and I look forward to joining with you next week.